Hello, beautiful people. It's Dante again here with another video. Guys, I much appreciate your views, your comments, and the likes you are giving to my videos. Uh, okay, I won't be much clear because of my voice. I have some cold. It's very cold where I am, and yeah, that's it. So you just bear with me, guys, and let me take you through this video. So the video of today, like you've seen on the in the title below, is why and how you can apply for the green card. It's very easy. You don't need to go to. You don't need to be charged. Actually, most of people do not give out this information because they know that they want to take advantage of people and charge them. But if you have a laptop, you can simply do it by yourself. So you don't need to pay any person. You will follow my simple steps and get there. So why you should apply for green card? So the reason why I'm saying that you should apply for a green card is that green card is open for everybody as long as your country is eligible for application. You can apply. It's not restricted. It's not discriminatory. It's open for everybody who are willing to move to United States of America. So I'll take you through a simple step by step on how you can apply. But if you don't have a laptop, please, you can get a laptop from someone or you can go to the cyber. But just remember, you're gonna be charged. So just know that. Okay, now I want to show you on how you can apply by yourself as long as you can get access to a laptop or a tablet. So guys, let's go through this. I'm going to make a part 2 of this video because I think that it's gonna be long. So I just wanted to make it 2 episodes so that the video cannot be that long and boring. So part 1 is just an explanation on how or why you should apply and the necessities needed for the application. So first, the reason as to why you have to apply, because it's open for everybody. As long as your country is eligible for application, you can apply. Okay. And number 2, why you should apply. You should apply if only if you want you are willing one day to move to the United States of America. It might be a dreamland for some others. For me to show you on the necessities, what you need to have whenever you want to apply. What you don't need is your passport. If you have a passport, if you don't, you won't need it. If you don't have a passport, you won't need it in the application. So what you need, and that is the most important, even if you Google, the most important necessity is your photo. So I'm going to dwell here. So your photo should be a good photo. So which kind of photo am I talking about? It's not just any other photo that you take with your phone camera. No, it should be a proper photo that has undergone a proper scanning to make sure that it can be used for the application. Okay, then, so what do we know here? I'm going to show you some characteristics that your photo should bear. So when it comes to the photo, please, here you'll have to go to the photo studio or a cyber which has a camera. Okay, yeah, because the photo has to be clear. Number 2, your photo must have a clear background. Number 3, your 2 ears must be seen in the photo. And number 4, you shouldn't have any makeup, be it a cap, be it earrings, be it piercings. It shouldn't be there. It should be your original face without any other makeup, maybe a birthmark. Okay, so your photo shouldn't be altered. It has to be your original photo, authentic one. Okay, so let's go right into it. Let me show you some of the examples of the photo that are acceptable and which are not. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can actually do this by yourself. You can just Google some of the photos that are acceptable when applying for the green card. So in this case, you just open your browser, then you type in examples. It's already there of developatory photos. Right. So you come here, you click at the US Department of State website. This is the official website. So you just open it and they will show you some of the photos that are acceptable for the developatory application. So here, acceptable photos, you can see here. This is the perfect way of taking your photos. Okay, so let's check some of the photos which are not acceptable. So when you come down here, you can see we have the first photo which is acceptable. Why? The background is clear, the 2 ears can be seen, the head is straight, there is no makeup on the face. Okay, so look at this second photo. What do you see? The background is not clear. Okay, and the third photo as well, there is some kind of shadow on the background. It looked like this. The third one was altered. This photo was filtered. What do you see on the fourth one? The photo is very clear, the background is very clear. And the fifth one is even worse. Your shadow shouldn't be on your photo that you're going to use to apply for this. So that's why I was telling you that make an arrangement, go to the cyber or you go to a photo studio. They know. So I said that your photo should be scanned. Okay, it's not a big deal. So if you go there, they know how to go about it. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. So they will take your photo with a proper background. They know about that, and they will pass your photo through some apps that are used to verify the proper photo that is being used for the application. They will scan it. They will run it through an application. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. That's upon themselves. So that is it. Okay, it was a short video, an introduction video. So I'm going to make another video now to explain to you step by step on how you can apply for the developatory. I'm going to do an example. Okay, I'm going to do an example. So please make sure that you check out that video on my channel. It's going to be out as soon as possible. Okay, so please just go check it out. Once I upload it, subscribe and get the notification when I get to upload that video. Okay, thank you very much and see you on the next one.